everyone, it's Ben here again from Mariner Media, and in this video I just want to show you guys what the difference is between a custom audience and a lookalike audience, and kind of what they mean, and how to use them. So if you can imagine, if you've got a business and say that 2,000 people come to your checkout page in a month, or within a certain amount of time. What that is basically is a custom audience. So you can tell Facebook, right, I want to collect an audience of people that have landed on my checkout page. So instead of sort of optimizing for every single person and create an audience of everyone who comes onto your website, you can say, right, I just want to segment out the people that have landed on the checkout page because they're my best customers. So obviously they've not just landed on a blog and left again. Like, they actually come and they've either gone through and bought, or they've nearly got there. And they've kind of had intention to buy. So you can create custom audience for loads of different things. But you see here, so this is a good example. So this is a custom audience here. So 100 days web visits. So this is to my online pastry school. So there's 14,000 people that have come in the last 100 days. We've not been running much campaigns and everything due to lockdown, but that's just kind of general trickle traffic coming through from SEO and stuff. But obviously, Facebook's now got those 100 days worth of data, and it's looking at it going, right, okay, what who are those people? And then what I can do, so I can tell Facebook, right, there's 14,000 people there, and I want you to find me other people that are similar to these, because they're my ideal customer. So instead of running ads to people that are, they like baking, or they like this, like that, it's easier to run an ad to a lookalike audience of people that have landed on the checkout page, or in this case, people that have come to visit the page in the last 100 days. So obviously you've got 14,000 here. The minimum you need to create a lookalike audience is 100 people from the same country. So you don't need a lot at all. And to do that, obviously up here, create audience. So this is in my ads manager, and on the list here you've got different settings, and it's in audiences. So once you go into audiences, you'll be able to create a lookalike. So actually, first of all, before we do that, I'll just show you how to create a custom audience. So if you're going to create a custom audience, you literally only have to just go custom audience, and then you can choose what you want. So is it from the website? Have you got a big email list? Like, have you got an email list of, say, 20,000 people? It only has to be 100 from one country, but the bigger the better. And at the moment, I think we've got about 6,000 or 7,000 on our pastry school email list. So it's a really good one for us. Upload that and say, right, I want people that look like the email list as much as possible. So that's one way of doing it. So you just follow the steps through here, and that would then give you an audience that looks like this. So like 100 days web visits, for example. And then I would go lookalike audience, and then I can then pick the source. So let's say, let's have a look at what we've got. Let's have a look at different ones, actually, what we've got. So let's go like add to cart. Actually, let's have a look. Let's go up here. Oh yeah, it's stick with web visits, right? So stick with 100 days web visits, just keep it consistent. And then what you do is pick the countries. So you can have like multiple countries, or you can just pick very specific. So let's say United Kingdom. I want my I want my new audience to be in the United Kingdom. And then this slider here is like how close do you want that lookalike audience to be? Like, how similar to your, like, what we call the seed audience, the first one that we use, the custom audience. How close a match do you want them to be? And obviously you want them as close as possible. However, the wider you go, the more people you got. So 1%. So with the population, the top 1% of the population that matches in that country, that matches your seed audience, will be just over 500,000. And as you go up, you can just keep going up. So maybe this will be a little bit less close to those people, not as effective, but then you've got a bigger audience. So it depends. You have to play around with the different percentages, see which one is the right balance for you. What's the quality versus the quantity that gives you the most profit. And that's it. And then you just go create audience. And then I'll think about it for a second, and then just come up in your manager, and you'll be able to use that for ads. And then you'll be able to run adverts to those people, and it'll be a lot more effective than just going out to like people that are interested in baking or fishing, or whatever niche you're in. So really, really important. If you've got data already, email lists, people come through the website, anything like that, use lookalikes will really, really help.